Quick, simple, and delicious, this blueberry loaf cake is a must-have in your recipe book. To get started, whip the butter into shape, but first go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 degrees. In this recipe, you're gonna use 3 total eggs, but one of the eggs you're gonna separate the white from the yolk, and you're gonna set the white aside. Go ahead and add all 3 eggs into the whipped butter, minus the white, of course, since you set it aside for later use. Continue to mix the mixture until it gets nice and creamy, and then go ahead and add your sugar, eggs, as well as your vanilla extract and salt. In a separate bowl, go ahead and mix your flour and baking powder. Mix them well. And then now remember the egg white that you set aside? Let's go ahead and whisk it until it gives you that stiff peak form. Now lastly, let's go ahead and add your blueberry goodness into the mixture. Then place the parchment paper at the bottom of the loaf pan and go ahead and spread the mixture into the pan and bake it for about an hour. I recommend checking it 10 minutes before the hour timeline just because every oven is different. By inserting a butter knife in the middle of it, if it comes out dry, then your cake is ready. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and leave us a comment, especially if you've made this cake. You would also enjoy our French lemon cake, which is extremely delicious. Ooh, and now you just give me the idea to mix the two together. And don't forget to check our website at savorythoughts.com for step-by-step instructions with pictures to guide you through the process. See you in the next one.